Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. Last time we saw the single candlesticks, and today we'll see we'll refresh that, and then we'll see the live examples. Candle forms starts at open low, closes high is a bullish candle. Price starts at the top, closes below, forms a bearish candle. We'll see single candlestick pattern. Price opened at the bottom, entire day buyer's day, completely buyer's day, and closed at the top. This is called Maruboju candle, Maruboju bullish candle. There may be a slight wick either side or both sides, but doesn't matter. 90% of the body should be green. And at the same time, price opens at the top, closes at the bottom. Red Maruboju candle forms. The entire day will be a sell-off day. Spinning top, small body, both sides wicks. The candle color should be a green or red, doesn't matter. This says that neither buyers or sellers wins the race. Both are negotiating and price not moving anywhere. These are the dojis, similar to spinning tops, but body will be very less or no body. There is a small bodies, could be a red or green, doesn't matter, and no bodies, so doesn't matter. This all called as an indecision candles. Either buyers or sellers are not able to take a decision to move the market up or down. Hammer candle, one of the best candlestick formation. Price started at the somewhere on the top and completely sell off, but all of a sudden buyers came and they moved the price to the top, so the rest of the day become the bullish day. Hence this is a bullish candle. Price will move forward from the top to the even higher levels. Candle color doesn't matter, it could be green or red, but both are bullish candles and prices move from here to the top. Hanging man, this is almost similar to the hammer, but these two candles will form at the top of the chart, almost at the resistance place where prices will start falling from there. Shooting star, this is again similar to the hammer, but in the reverse of hammer is called the shooting star. Same, here buyers came and made the prices higher. All of a sudden sellers came and pull back the prices to the bottom. Hence this is reverse hammer performed, and this is called the shooting star. The body should be a small one and could be any color, and prices will start falling from here to the low levels. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Lot of people are watching, but most of them are not subscribing and liking. Please do that so that I'll be getting encouraged. Let us see some examples in the live chart. This is TradingView platform, and this has a paid version and also free version. I'm 15 years experience and using TradingView almost 10 years. I never taken the paid version. I'm using free version, so you just install this and start analyzing the chart so that you'll be getting familiar. Now in TradingView you take from 1 minute chart to even 1 year chart. All candlesticks formation will be the same. So let us analyze on the daily chart. This TradingView got inbuilt indicators, and also some of the technical people built indicators and given in the public platform. Now if you see, now I plotted two indicators in this. One is candlestick pattern. If you click here and just type candlestick pattern, then this indicator will install. And I also plotted support and resistance levels. I clicked here and entered support and resistance, and I clicked this indicator that is formed here. This is the empty chart. Now what are the single candlestick charts that we learned? We need to observe in this, and we need to train our eyes to catch those candlestick patterns where it will be helpful for us to get entries and exits. Now in normal chart we can see the candlestick pattern, but we should not buy anywhere if the candle forms. Now let us say now we need to board the bus or board the train or flight. We need to go to the bus station and railway station or airport, but we should not stand on the road and get into the bus or train, right? So in the similar way, even in the stock market, if you need to enter, then you need to find a place where you need to buy or where you need to sell. So now these kind of a support and resistance levels and candlestick patterns helps us. Let us start observing. Now see this. This candle is the spinning top. This candle, hammer candle. This candle something like a Maruboju candle. And if you see, this is some kind of a range and zone kind of a thing. Candles are going inside and coming out, and finally price got dropped. So now these zones also will help apart from the support and resistance level. Now even we have something like a bullish candle. This zone doesn't allow the bullish to move ahead, and this zone, distribution zone, where prices start falling from here. Similarly, when you see the support here, and when we see this kind of a candle, this is big bearish day candle, but this support started falling the candidates below. This support again, if you go to the left and see, there is another support zone where these two candles support become a support here. That is system drawn this support line. So we are taking this help, and with this candle, and then we see a Maruboju kind of a candle, price has gone up. This candle is again a spinning top, and breaking below to that, prices fallen down. This is again a doji candle. This is again a doji candle. See the support level. Whenever price hits support level, forms one bullish kind of a Maruboju candle, prices moved up. When we find a resistance, prices again reversed. You can see the hanging man candle here, prices fall down. When again comes to the next time, again comes to the same kind of a Maruboju candle bottom, prices will start again go up. When again it touched on the support, prices moved again up. And finally when this got broken, this support become resistance, and prices gone here and come down till this breaks. See this best example in the support. We can see the hammer candle. When we see the hammer candle, we can place a buy order on the top of it, or else you can go till half of the candle below of the hammer candle on the retracement. When you get the entry, prices will go up. The retracement may happen, may not happen all the time. some ads will pop up as we are using the free version. See this big Maraboju candle at the resistance, prices fallen down till the support. When it respected the support and prices moved a bit. See, I am seeing the daily candle, so there will be a small retracement also will give a big money. See here, spinning top formed at the resistance and prices come below to the spinning top. If we enter, then ultimately we will come to the next support area. See this support when candles break the resistance, and the same resistance will become support if candle breaks the resistance. Earlier it was a resistance. When candle broken this, then the same thing will become support. When Maraboju candle forms at the support, prices moved up and given a very good jump. Again, see the resistance. Earlier resistance, the above candle that what we seen become a support now. When a candle, bearish candle, this is something like an hammer, but wick is not that tall. But as this formed at the resistance place, and when prices come down below to this, we can enter, and we got this much of downtrend and we can make a money. This is hanging man and followed by shooting star. This shooting star, below to that we have some retracement and we have some good downtrend to make money. Hope you understanding how to enter, when to enter. See this hammer candle. This is an hammer candle. When at hammer candle, that this is called a reverse hammer candle. When it formed at the resistance place, just go and buy below to this and keep the stop loss at the top of the hammer candle. You might have got 1:10 kind of a risk to reward. And when it respected the support and prices again moved up, this again is something like a small hammer kind of a candle. See, such a big bearish Maraboju formed at the support. If a big bullish Maraboju candle forms like this, prices will go up. But when a bearish candle forms at the support, prices won't fall, and it will respect to the support. Immediately we find some kind of a Maraboju candle. There is a little bit big wick on the bottom side, but as it forms at the support, still we can take a chance by taking the trade on the top of it and trading the trade till the resistance reaches. Hope you can identifying the candles along with me. Do one thing, install TradingView and log in with your Gmail account and plot these two, all candlestick patterns and support and resistance, and analyzing the chart. These chart patterns, if you see here, it will be written doji thing, here doji formed, and here doji thing is written. So now you can read and understand as well. See here, shooting star formed. Shooting star is nothing but a reverse hammer. Prices moved and it reaches till support. Prices dojis are formed at the support, and when a bullish candle formed and broken above the dojis, prices went up. And there is a resistance as well, but a big doji kind of a candle breaks the resistance. This resistance will become a support and prices even moved further. See now how prices are respecting resistance and support. If you can draw the resistance and support, and you can catch out the candlestick formation, and if you you know get into the candlesticks identification very well, it's easy for you to take the trade. Now we are working on only single candlestick pattern. There are two candlestick pattern and there are three candlestick pattern. So there are lot many other things where here to work out, and then we can get entry, but I'm just getting into only single candlestick pattern to explain in this thing. Now this is kind of a harami candle, but we don't want to discuss now. See this small hammer, on breaking on the top of it, it moved to the till resistance. There is a green Marubozu at resistance. It doesn't work at the resistance. We need a red Marubozu candle at the resistance. See this big Marubozu candle. What happened? Price sustained some extent and then it fall until the resistance. See the Marubozu candle price fallen down. So now sometimes prices coming till support, sometimes it is reversing back. Now if you taken an entry somewhere here, now you may be making losses if price is moving ahead. So what we need to do now, when we short sell here, say now you took an 100 quantity stocks on a intraday, when prices move and make 1:1, you exit 50% of the quantity. Rest all hold, but what you need to do, when you take an entry, you are placing SL somewhere here. Now move the your SL to the cost, so that when prices move reverses, then you will be exiting at your cost, but still you are making 50% of the profit. See here, doji formed at the resistance. Prices are there, indecision are making, then finally it broken at the bottom and it reaches till to the support. See here, doji at the support, moved till to the resistance. See the Marubozu candles one after another. If you take entry anywhere, you will be getting profit. See these, you may be losing once or twice, but many times see, take entry here, put a stop loss somewhere here. See the riding, from where to where you are getting profit this much. That is, almost 1:8 or 9. But what you need to do, exit 50% when 1:2 or 3 and keep the stop loss at the cost. When prices even moving further, you need to trail your SL, and you may be till working here, or even if you wait also you may be exiting somewhere here if you are trail candle by candle. See here, support almost hammer candle, and it's given good risk to reward. See, we can even plot risk to reward in this way, and we can trade. This is giving almost 1:17 percentage, 1:17. So now if you understand candlesticks, you can observe and you can catch them, you can mint the money. Now see this bearish thing, shorting. This is shooting star at the resistance level. When if you see very big candle, then you can keep your stop loss half of the candle also if you are comfortable. Sometimes it may hit your SL, but better you can initially you can put your stop loss on the top of the candle. See the risk to reward 1 is to 7.5. You entered here, prices come till here. Again, red hammer at the support, prices move till to the resistance. Candle is looking small, but it's a bullish Marabozu candle given book good 1 is to more than 10. Bearish Marabozu candle at resistance given a big ride. See the candle size. This is the Marabozu candle, this big size. So my suggestion, if you find Marabozu candle this big, then better not to trade, because candle itself is a very big, so there may be immediately resistance. So better not to take a very big hammer candle or very big shooting star or very big Marabozu candles. Better avoid them instead of working with them. See the Marabozu candle at support, riding till the resistance. Hope by now you can easily identify single candlestick pattern and what is the significance of support and resistance. And even if you plot moving averages here, and if you combine moving averages with support or moving averages with resistance, will be getting more accurate trades. And after candlestick pattern, I will be discussing different ways to plot moving averages and different ways to draw the support and resistance. We'll discuss very soon. See here, Marabozu candle formed here. From there prices moved ahead and it reached resistance. It's tried to break the resistance, but it not sustained and it come back. See here, this is shooting star. When we buy here, prices are there itself, and all of a sudden a big Marabozu candle let the market down, and we might have got good risk to reward. Let us check. One is to 16 risk to reward, and as this is a positional trade, selling will happen only in options or in futures. So in cash market we need to buy for swing trading. For intraday we can work with the 15-minute charts, and we can do buying and selling as well. We can buy first and we can sell. That is called normal buying, and first you can sell and later on you can buy. That is again you can do in intraday to get profit. See, at support there are dojis, hammer, Marabozu candle, some bullish and bearish engulfings. These are, if you master them, it's very easy for you to trade along with the support, resistance and moving averages. These small dojis are indecision candles whether to break this support or not. If they break this, then the support will become resistance, and prices move above to the resistance, then the resistance will become support. On the support, a Marubozu candle forms. On the top of it, if you buy, prices are going up, going up, going up. You might have got good risk to reward. Let us check now. On the top of it, we need to buy, so somewhere here, and very less risk. Profit till here 1 is to 28. Just imagine 1 is to 28 on a single trade, and that too not, uh, May, June, July, August. In 4 months you got 1 is to 28 ratio. That is good. This is again, Hindustan Unilever stock. So now we'll stop here, and video is becoming big. So what you need to do, open TradingView account. It's a free account. In free account you can plot 3 indicators. You can explore here indicators. There are lot many inbuilt indicators, and techie people like you and me, we have a technical skills. We can generate our own indicators as well, so that lot of people are posted lot of indicators which are very much useful. Lot of indicators will help us to get entries and exit. So start exploring TradingView. My suggestion, first plot candlestick pattern indicator and also support and resistance, and analyze candlesticks, and we'll catch up in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.